Hello and welcome. This is Zasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will see what is the next primitive. So I will just click on this drop down arrow and the next primitive here is pyramid. So we will look how to draw this one. I will click here to activate this one. Now at command line you can see it is asking about specify center point of base. So I can specify any of the point from here. Okay, I will click here. Okay, now this is the base center point. Now it is asking about, you can see here, specify base radius. So we have to just give base radius as well. So I will just give, for example, base radius of 50 units. So I will enter 50 and I will hit enter. Now this is the 50 unit of base radius from here to this point. Okay, now again it is asking about what will be the height. Either I can just give any of the point here, okay, for height, or I can give any value here. For example, I can give 30 unit of value, okay, and then I will hit enter. So this is the pyramid. Okay, I can change a visual style as well. I will go here and I will change it to realistic view. So you can see this is a solid shape. Now again I will just change it to 2D wireframe. Let's see what another method is to draw a pyramid. I will just click here, okay, to activate this one. Now I will right click here and you can see one of the options, that is sides. Okay, you can increase and decrease the sides here as well. I will click here and now the sides are 4 sides. Okay, you can see 1 2 3 and 4 sides. I can increase the side. For example, I need 6 side here, so I will just enter a value of 6. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about what is the center point. So you can see here there are 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, now I will just click here, okay, to give the base radius. Now I will just pull my mouse upward to give the height. Okay, and I will click here. Now I will just change visual style from here to see sides. Okay, I will click to realistic. Now I will just enter a command of orbit. Okay, or I can select orbit from here. Okay, I will click here and let's check what are the sides. Okay, 1 2 3 and then 4 5 and 6 sides are here. Okay, so this is what sides option. I will just go ahead to change the visual style from here. Now let's see another option, that is edge option. So I will just click here to activate this one. I will click here and then I will right click. So you can see this is the edge option. I will click here and here at a command line you can see specify first end point of edge. So I will just give this point of the edge, and now you can just specify the second point of edge, or you can give any value here. Okay, for example, I need 5 unit of edge or 20 unit of edge, any of the value you can give. For example, right now I need 20 unit of edge. Okay, and then I will hit enter. Now you can see all of the edges will be 20 units. Okay, now the third point here will be what will be the height. Okay, so here I will just specify the height. So this was the edge option. Now let's see one another method. I will just zoom out. I will just go here. Okay, again I will activate this one, and what I will do, I will just give first point here and then I will give second point. Okay, then what I will do, I will right click here and here you can see one of the option, that is top radius. You can just give top radius as well. So I will click here and now you can give top radius here. You can click either here or you can give any value here. So for example, I need top radius of 5 unit. I will hit enter. Now you can see this is the top radius option. So these were some options to draw pyramid. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.